As the new year enters its third week, 2009 could enter the record books for space exploration. Scientists are expected to announce that life is not unique to our planet. Officials at NASA are due to hold a press conference about their Mars program, and reports suggest they'll confirm the presence of the gas methane, raising hopes of finding evidence of life on the red planet. According to The Sun, the American Space Agency will announce that organisms just below the Martian soil were creating a haze of methane around the planet. The gas was detected by orbiting spacecraft and from Earth using giant telescopes. Last year, scientists operating NASA's Phoenix Mars lander confirmed that water definitely exists on the planet after a soil sample dug up by a probe gave off water vapor. British scientist Professor Colin Pillinger, who masterminded the unsuccessful Beagle 2 mission to Mars in 2003, says he expects groundbreaking news.
The gentleman who's making the press conference, I believe it's a man called Mike Mummer, he has identified methane in the atmosphere of Mars already using a telescope. I believe what he's going to actually say now is that he's sort of narrowed it down to some various more precise regions of Mars which are producing the methane. If you could land in these regions, then it might be able to resolve the question about whether the methane was produced biologically, and that would mean whether there's life on Mars.
Scientists believe that there are only two possible sources of the gas on the planet, either volcanoes or microorganisms called methanogens. The Martian microbes could be the most likely source, as there are no known active volcanoes on Mars. But Professor Pillinger says methane alone is not the smoking gun for life on Mars.
If you're going to claim something as fantastic as discovering that life on Earth is not unique, then you need to have absolute proof. And the only way you can get absolute proof is to go there and, to find out what the source of the methane is. Not where does it come from, but who made it.
Officials will hold their press conference in Washington later, and the scientific community and enthusiasts the world over hold their breath for the red planet revelations.